Good day everyone! Yes, happy tummy, happy day na naman po tayo kasi eto, nandito kami sa Goldfin. Yan, located to sa second floor, Bonifacio Stopover Pavilion, 31 Street. Yes, napakalapit lang po nito sa St. Luke's. Easy to find naman to place. Well, ayan po ha, kung nagke-crave ka ng crab, ng seafoods, it's unlimited seafood po. Ayan. They also have scallops, oyster, mussels, and shrimp. Ayan. Meron din silang crispy crablets. Well, anyway, kung hindi ka naman pa ng seafood, they also have unlimited steak. Yes, it's a good, what do you call that? It's a good thing for you. Yeah. Anyway, ayan, the ambience is really nice and the food looks so delicious. Well, hindi lang siya look delicious because talaga namang masarap. Lalo na yung crab and the scallops. The oyster. Yes, the oyster is creamy and rich. Yan, napakasarap po ng tamang-tama yun lang yung pagkakaluto. Hindi siya overcooked. Well, yeah, kung ayaw mo naman ng eat all you can, they also have a la carte menu. Yes po, pwede ka pong umorder ng a la carte kung you feel the food is too much for you. Yes, they also offer a la carte menu. Meron din silang seafood soups and etc. Yeah. Definitely must visit po itong lugar na to. Ayan. No? Talagang mag-e-enjoy ka because the ambience, the place, it's really nice. And not only that, the staff. Ayan, mababait din yung mga staff.